Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system, the MBUX system, in this 2021 Mercedes Benz GLC. So first of all, we go to Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth's on. Then we're watching out at the bottom. Over here, there's all sorts of ways to get to it. You can click on home there, and then across the phone. But as you can see, I'm absolutely useless at that. You can do that, or you can just click the telephone button here, which gets you to basically the same place, and you've got connect device there. Now it's touch screen, connect new device. You can now connect your vehicle. MBUX 36994. We'll just be watching out at the bottom here. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. Let's just see. Flip that across there, and then click select. MBUX 36994. We'll just wait to see what happens over here. There we go. Bluetooth pairing request 244180. Confirm the passkey. So pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. That's it. That's it done. Let's just find it. MBUX 36 connected.